Hello YouTube, I'm back with another video, and today I want to be sharing my opinions on what I'm seeing for the near future for euro dollar. So right off the bat, let's just look at the graph. So technically speaking, we are at very low minimums in this moment. So even though we could speculate or long or short, we can still say that it's at a fair price to buy actually right now. So taking all the rest aside, it still would be at a fair price on the euro dollar chart in this moment. So let's try to zoom in, and as we can see, we are now gradually, not very strongly, but gradually starting to try to make a move on the upside. So basically, what I would like to see is this happening. Let's put it in the 4-hour chart. So this is basically the level at which current euro dollar price is trading at. And as we can see, technically speaking, we're also looking at a rising parallel channel over here. Just keep that in mind. And we're basically trading in this zone, if you didn't notice. And what's more is that we can see from the volume charts that these levels over here are the ones most traded at, as you can see, the high volume nodes. So basically, price has to pretty much go and retest there somewhere in the future. We still don't know when or why or if it will, but there will be a high chance. I mean, even in the long term. So pretty much we're trading below these zones over here. So pretty much all these zones would be good risk positions, but you also have to keep in mind the amount of capital you want to move. So my thought process was that, let's put it at M for maybe the 4-hour chart. Okay, so my process was that euro dollar would barely break this parallel channel and try to retest it, follow up, and then going for another new high that it could reach, and it still could go down, but pretty much a safe take profit would be at 112. So we're looking at a decent amount of risk to reward. Let's just look at it right now. I placed some positions at 109,750 with a stop loss. We should put it barely over here. I mean, that would be very risky, but just keep it for now here. So take profit at 112, another one here at 1095, same stop loss and same take profits. And now let's just keep the 109 to 50 aside for the moment, because this was what actually I wanted to talk about, that during the market conditions in real time, I'll look at if trying to enter this position over here, and if I see that actually it's not going to reach there, I'm going to reduce my stop loss pretty much to here. So I wouldn't even be taking the 1025. So leaning us risk rewards 1 to 4.3 and 1 to 9.72. So pretty much if you sum these, it would be a pretty much 1 to 15 risk reward. I mean, not 1 to 15, but you get the point. 9 plus 5 and you invest 2, so it was pretty much 1 to 13 actually. And say you invest only $100, 100 euros, you'll end up with 13k if everything goes correctly. Now, I think that this will be a pretty much, let me guess, I think a 50, let's write it with a normal pen. I mean, it's setting up nice. We have to see what will happen in this zone, but pretty much now, without knowing anything, I would say a 55% chance of this happening would be very confident in saying that. Now, these are of course our buy zones, and we have to look at this one, but for the moment let's just keep it out of the way. And I think that it could pretty much end up how I said. Let's just think about it. Right now, we should do something like this, maybe bouncing outside and keep going long, and pretty much, let me put it, 1 hour, occupying this space over here that contrasts with this one. And I think that we are on the right track. So, thank you for listening, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts on the comments below, and I'll try to do more videos like these, but I don't have that much time, and I hope it will improve in the next ones. But till that moment, stay safe, guys, and have fun. Thank you.